Do you like robots?
No, I don't like because I am a girl.
Yes, absolutely. Robotics engineering is a field I like. I have actually subscribed to a journal entirely dedicated to robots called The Robot Workshop. The other day, I read a really interesting article about how robots can be used to perform surgeries. Do you like robots to work at your home?
Yes, of course.
I think that's a brilliant idea. I'm quite lazy, so household chores like cleaning or cooking are a real hassle. I would prefer to have those done by a robot. Actually, we have a robotic vacuum cleaner at our house. It's truly a lifesaver. Do you want to take a car? Which robot is the driver?
I don't really feel comfortable.
Well, you know, nowadays, self-driving cars are certainly not a strange topic anymore. AI has become more sophisticated and is more than capable of navigating addresses and controlling a vehicle. However, I gotta say, I don't really feel comfortable letting robots take the wheel. I think they are not 100% reliable and may not handle dangerous situations like a slippery road as well as a human driver does. So, for now, I still prefer to drive manually. Will robots replace human beings in the workplace completely?
Yes, they will.
Well, these days, human labor is being marginalized by automation in the workplace, especially in manufacturing. Labor-intensive tasks can be done by machines with ease and precision. However, there are always things that require the delicate touch of a human hand. For example, a handmade shirt always has more soul than a machine-made one.